Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. What we have today is a Devant power supply board. This is the model of our unit. So let's start and repair this board. Since we are now on part 2 of our repair, we gonna do a 4-wire installation. And this is the recycled face shield. I will use this as our insulator for our module to prevent from short circuit. Okay, this is the optocoupler that we are going to connect our module, but before that we're going to do a modification. In modification process, we just make it sure that they are in the same position of this optocoupler of our module and the board. Okay, so let's start to modify this one. We are going to remove the pin 3 and 4 of the module optocoupler. Then next we're going to connect the yellow wire and the blue wire from this connection, that where the pin 3 and 4 is removed. We never use that optocoupler of this module. So let's start and continue. And now we are already connected two wires. Then the next step is we're going to cut the original connection to this wire, because this is the easiest and safe method ways that we just use the mainboard of the coupler to produce its own voltage. Okay, so for now we're going to connect this. We are already complete with the modification and already placed with a heatsink and insulator. Okay, so that's our modification process. So let's continue. For this kind of power supply board, it has a design of two optocouplers. That's the first optocoupler that we are going to use is the PWM optocoupler. Then the second optocoupler is the power factor correction optocoupler. Then after that, for safe methods, we're going to test our optocoupler. We just check the condition of this. Because sometimes it becomes shorted. Okay, both two optocouplers are good, so just continue now. This is our module that we are going to connect. It's ready for our connection. The yellow and blue wires, we are going to connect this. Okay, that's our connection for the yellow and the blue wire. You just make it sure that they are in the same position. Okay, then next we're going to connect our red wire to the drain connection of our MOSFET. Okay, we are going to connect that, the drain connection of our MOSFET. Then next, the black wire to the ground of our primary circuits, where our capacitor ground, this one, that's our main filter capacitor ground. Okay, this connection we're going to connect the black wire. Then after all, we've done all the connections are already connected. We're going to do an initial testing to this power supply board. We'll just plug the AC cord, then unplug. We try to test the voltage in our secondary capacitor. Okay, we just check it now. As we can see, we can read that there is a voltage that we're going to need in the second capacitor. Okay, both voltages are present. So we're going to continue. We'll just place the insulator of our power supply to prevent from short circuit. Then we'll place all the screw on each side. Okay, we are almost done with our repair. We'll just connect all the wires of the power supply board. Then connect the backlight connection. Okay, just remember that if you're going to place your module, power module, just make it sure that there is an insulator to prevent from short circuit. Okay, that's it. Thank you. We are going to try it now. As we can see, the blue light standby indicator is okay. Then we press the power on. Okay, the backlight is on. Then we check the screen. Okay, we can see that the screen has a display now. Then we press the menu. Okay, so we are successful to our repair of this Devant Smart LED TV. So we're ready to place the cover back. This is our replacement dual diode. It was working good. So for now, we're going to do our final testing. As we can see now, the blue light indicator is on. Then we press the power on. Okay. We can see the Devant logo is on the screen. So we are successful to our repair. Then we do some tests. We're going to choose an input. I'm going to put my USB. Then we choose the USB menu to try play a video. So okay, we're done with our 48-inch LED smart TV Devant. So thank you for watching, everyone. See you next time on my next vlog.